Centrifugal pump manufacturer from Illinois was tracking production on whiteboards and spreadsheets. 3 people, 3 different numbers, every day, no real-time visibility. Supervisors chasing operators for updates. By the time a report landed, it was already outdated. MFG Software Lab was the chosen vendor, and they rolled out in phases. Pilot on one line, operator training, full ERP sync, then company-wide, start to finish. No disruption to output. Now every machine logs status live. Operators log downtime at the workstation. Supervisors watch one dashboard instead of asking around. Batch traceability reduced from 3 days to under 15 minutes. 11 consecutive customer and regulatory audits passed with 0 traceability findings. 0 production line shutdowns during implementations. Faster quality investigations and compliance reporting. Right data, real time, right people. Want to see it on your floor? Let's talk.